Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time.
Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm gonna teach you this makeup look, and I am in love with this makeup look because it looks so soft and so natural. And the reason why I love these looks, like, they are so versatile. There is no sharp eyeliner, no harsh lines, nothing. Everything is so soft and dissolved into each other. Also, I love this flush of blush on my cheeks. This makes it look so fresh and super natural. If you want to know how I get this look, then please continue watching. Alright guys, so when you are working with a minimal makeup look, like a no makeup look that still looks fresh, then you really need to work on your skin. You need to prepare your skin before makeup really well. And this is the key to no makeup look, which looks flushed and fresh. So let's go in with the skincare first. And first I'm gonna use a moisturizer, and here I'm using this super light gel moisturizer. So this one is from Pond's and it is really good, and it will, moisturize your skin really well, and also it will leave your skin with a very subtle glow. Next, I'm gonna go in with a primer, and this one is from Lotus.
I'm not easy. I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate you.
Okay, now the step number 3 is a lip tint. So a lip tint is needed to make you look fresh, because I love the flush of this lip tint on my cheeks. Also, it will make your blush stays longer, because a lip tint lasts for a good long hours, and it will make your blush to stay over. And if your blush moves, then this is not going to move anywhere. So what I like to do is I take it directly like this. I just apply it like this and immediately go in with my beauty blender, otherwise it will stain. Or you can also go in with your fingers like this, just pat it. And if you do not have any lip tint, then you can make your own lip tint at home. So I have a whole video on DIY lip tint. I'm gonna leave it here so you can check. This is how I like my tint to be, because we are going to apply foundation over it. So it is gonna weigh down and it is going to get light, so doesn't matter how much you put.
Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going
here on my lips.
Let's take it slow. Who cares where we go?
So you don't have to apply it directly like a lipstick, and if you do, then just pat it like this. Otherwise, it will going to leave a stain. So this is how you can use your lip tint in different ways. And yeah. Alright guys, and now it's time for the foundation, and for that I'm gonna use this L'Oreal Infallible in the shade 104 Golden Beige.
We got here, 'cause you don't know how.
So this is a really cool foundation. I'm in love with this, and it is a demi matte foundation. So if you are using in summers or in daytime, it is not going to budge, and also it stays for long hours. Like, it claims up to 24 hours, but I have tested it for around 10 to 11 hours and it stays actually. If you want a whole review on this, I'm gonna link it here so you can check. So if you are comfortable in using a foundation, you can use it. If not, then you can either use a BB cream, or you can just color correct and use a concealer for spot concealing. But I'm not going in with any concealer. That's why I just opted for a foundation. And beauty blender, because I want a natural finish of this foundation. I don't need much of the coverage. So now you can see how flawless my skin is looking. And not even this, if you can see a closer look at my face, you won't see anything on my skin. So this foundation is that beautiful. And because this is a demi matte foundation, so you don't need to set it with some loose powder or a compact powder. So my lips were feeling really very dry, so just needed some lip balm. Alright, now after foundation, I'm gonna move in with the bronzer. So now you must be wondering, this is a day kind of makeup look or it is an everyday makeup look, then why there is a need of bronzer? So I surely want to keep this makeup look really very simple, but I need to bronze up because my face is looking really very pale, like one tone. So just to add some color, I'm gonna bronze up, and this is the shade that I use for bronzing up my face. Very softly, I'm gonna apply this bronzer here, like just to give my face a little color. Yes, now you can clearly see the difference.
Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me.
It's time for the eyebrows, and for that I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil. As I always say, doing your eyebrows makes a hell lot of difference to your whole makeup look.
Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me.
Alright guys, and now let's move on to eyes. And for my eyes, I need a very soft peachy eyeshadow. And for that, I'm gonna go in with this blush. So this one is the Malibu Sunset blush, and it has a very, sunset kind of blush. It is a very sunset kind of blush, and it has the very pretty peachy shade. So I'm just gonna pat it first. Very fresh. It is a very refreshing color, and I'm just gonna move this brush everywhere. So I want to work very lightly with everything that I use, whether it's a bronzer or an eyeshadow, eyebrows, whatever. Now I'm gonna take the same color to my lower lash line as well, and using the same blending brush.
You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
Yes, so eyes are done, and now I'm gonna go in with the mascara. I'm gonna use the same peachy blush, the Sunset one. So you can still see that, the Face Shop tint on my cheeks, like here. So this is what I was talking about, like when you apply a lip tint first and then top it with a blush, it is going to stay longer.
Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you.
I'm not gonna use any powder highlighter today because this is a everyday natural kind of makeup look, and I don't want to look heavy on highlighter or something. So I think I must go in with this stick because it's really good. Like you can see how natural it is looking right now.
Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're.
So I don't have a typical peach color with me, so I'm gonna take these two lipsticks. This is the pink from Miss Claire, and this one is I Vibrate, like a very summery and vibrant orange kind of shade. So when I'm gonna mix these two, I think I'm gonna get my shade.
Oh, where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
Alright guys, so that's it with this look, and I really hope you guys found this video helpful. And if you have any other recommendation, any other query, then you can let me know in the comment section below. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in my next video.
You ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water.